we absolutely believe a funnel happened,
Sure.
but we don't have any radar data that saw the rotation. So either it happened so quickly that radar didn't have time to sweep through and see it, or it was just weak enough that it didn't show up on radar. But in any case, we've got the pictures.
I know it's
impressive.
Yeah.
It happened, but we don't have supporting radar data the way we normally do with these kind of things. So it's interesting. It can happen. There are the pictures. So outside today, we're dealing with this cold front, and along that front, we've had some showers and thunderstorms. Certainly nothing like what we had last night as those came raging through central Ohio. Right now, most of these are isolated. They're not part of a giant glob the way they were yesterday. But a little bit of that on it's just getting into parts of Dublin now, some of that north of Powell. You've got a little more of that off to the east. But the dew points are giving you a good sense of just how humid it is. So anytime that it's above 65, it feels a little muggy outside. For a lot of the daytime today, we have had dew points closer to 73, 74. So as close as that is to the actual air temperatures, that becomes really, really humid. 83 right now feels like 86 because the dew points are in the upper 60s. Breeze out of the northwest at 9, which suggests that the front is off to our southeast at this point. Newark's at 78 with some rain. New Lax at 81, 88 in Chillicothe, and your DR Horton American Silver Current Conditions Heat Index showing Marion at 90, 90 in Marysville, 80 in Newark, and Logan at 88. For the rest of the evening, it's warm, it's humid, chance at a few thunderstorms kind of scattered around the area, and temperatures staying in the upper 70s for a few hours. We're only going to drop to 68 for the overnight low, and you're likely to see dew points really not moving much. And when that dew point and the temperature come together, then we get patchy fog because we get to 100% relative humidity. The air is saturated. It can't hold any more moisture. It begins to condense, and that's why we get that patchy fog. Once we get into the morning tomorrow, that front is going to move farther off to the southeast. Not going to rule out a pop-up during the day. Even with this northerly flow, it is still going to be warm and humid. Usually when the wind shifts like that, it cuts off some of the moisture, but it's just a warm, humid air mass out there anyway. Here is that high pressure coming in for Friday. That's going to stick around for part of the weekend, and that will also give us a fairly quiet weekend. We'll soupy out there to start the day tomorrow, and then a little bit of a break on Friday. And then the humidity starts to climb back up again. By Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we are soupy again. So it is going to feel very, very warm. Temperatures are going to climb into the 90s this weekend. Saturday around 91, Sunday 92. Might see a few showers and thunderstorms popping up by Sunday afternoon. Tomorrow, some fog in the morning, clouds, and some sun. An isolated pop-up is possible, and that gets us into your weekend. 89 on Friday, 90s for Saturday and Sunday, and a chance for showers and thunderstorms again on Monday with another high near 90.